Well, after recent confusing leaks, if you thought the Galaxy S26 Edge was officially dead, you might want to wait a second. The rumor mill for the Galaxy S26 has been an absolute mess, and right now, everyone's saying the Edge is gone. But knowing Samsung, that is a huge leap to make. We're breaking down the latest leaks and why this might just be a pause, not a permanent cancellation. Let's quickly run through the chaos. Early rumors for the S26 suggested the Galaxy S26 Edge was going to replace the Plus model, even though the Galaxy S25 Edge didn't sell all that well. Then, other reports came out claiming Samsung had actually added the Plus back, meaning we'd get 4 models instead of 3. And now, the latest leaks say the Edge is gone. So for 2026, Samsung would be sticking to the classic Base, Plus, and Ultra lineup. Naturally, people are already shouting that the Edge experiment is officially dead. But here's the thing, Samsung rarely gives up on an idea after just one try. Think about it. The original Galaxy Fold had a seriously rocky launch, yet Samsung refined the Fold in flip lines year after year. The first Galaxy S20 FE was a massive hit, and even though they skipped the S22 FE, they still came back with the S23 FE. You see the same persistence in software. Bixby has had mixed reception for years. While Samsung is definitely leaning more on Google for the Galaxy AI functionality now, they are still improving Bixby instead of retiring it entirely. As for the Edge concept itself, remember when curved displays first appeared? People called them gimmicks, but the idea stuck and helped define Samsung's flagship design for years. Writing off the latest Edge concept now feels just as premature. Samsung may simply be taking more time to rethink the Edge. They could be improving the specs, refining the design, and packaging it in a way that makes it truly stand out. When you're dealing with super thin phones, space is a premium, and it's not easy to make substantial improvements as quickly as you can on regular devices. So, while the Galaxy S26 Edge might not arrive next year, that absolutely does not mean the concept is gone forever. Samsung's flagship plans have been highly unpredictable lately, and until we get official announcements, it's best not to assume the Edge experiment is over for good. So, the key takeaway is this: don't write off the Galaxy S26 Edge yet. Samsung has a history of persistence, and a pause in the lineup likely means they're going back to the drawing board to make the next version truly shine. What do you think? Is the Edge gone for good, or is it coming back? Let me know in the comments. If you want to keep up with all the unpredictable twists and turns in the Samsung rumors, like this video and subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.